Hello, my name is Emma. It's very nice to meet you today. Let me introduce myself properly. I am Emma Johnson. You can call me Emma. Most of my friends use my first name, but sometimes teachers or colleagues call me Miss Johnson. I was born on March 12, 2000, so right now I am 25 years old. I think being in my mid-20s is an exciting time, because I'm not too young, and not too old either. I feel like this age is perfect for learning, growing, and trying new things. I am originally from Manchester, England, a city in the United Kingdom. But right now I live in London. London is much bigger than Manchester, and it has so many people from different countries. At first it felt overwhelming, but now I really enjoy it. Let me tell you a short story. When I first moved to London, I got lost on the underground train system. I ended up in the wrong part of the city, and it took me 1 hour to find my way home. But now I know the routes much better, and I laugh about it whenever I remember. Now let me tell you about my family. I come from a family of 5 people. My father's name is Robert. He works as an engineer, and he loves fixing things at home. My mother's name is Sarah. She is a teacher, and she teaches history. She has a passion for reading about ancient civilizations. I also have a younger brother and an elder sister. My brother Adam is still in university. He is studying computer science, and he wants to become a software developer. My elder sister, Olivia, is married and she has a baby daughter. That makes me an aunt. Her little girl is just 2 years old, and she is adorable. One of my favorite memories is spending summer holidays with my family in the countryside. We used to go on picnics, play outdoor games, and sit around a campfire at night. My father would tell us funny stories, and my mother would prepare delicious sandwiches. Those memories are very precious to me. About my education, I studied at Manchester High School and later went to King's College London for my university degree. I studied business and marketing because I have always been interested in how companies grow, how they connect with customers, and how creative ideas can turn into successful businesses. During my studies, I worked part-time at a coffee shop. It was not easy to study and work at the same time, but it taught me responsibility and time management. I remember one customer who always ordered the same coffee every morning. After a few weeks, I already knew his order by heart, and he was so surprised that I remembered. That small connection made my job enjoyable. Currently, I work as a marketing assistant at a company in London. My job involves planning campaigns, creating content, and working with a team. Sometimes it's stressful, but I like it because I learn something new every day. In my free time, I really enjoy reading books. My favorite types of books are novels and biographies. Recently, I finished reading a biography of Michelle Obama, and I found it very inspiring. I also love cooking. Cooking is more than just preparing food. It's like art. I like experimenting with new recipes, especially Italian food like pasta and pizza. Sometimes I fail, sometimes it tastes delicious, but every time I learn something new. Another hobby of mine is traveling. I have visited France, Spain, and Italy. Each country has its own charm. In France, I love the Eiffel Tower and the small cafes in Paris. In Spain, I enjoyed the beaches. And in Italy, I fell in love with the food, especially gelato. I still remember walking around Rome with an ice cream in my hand. It was magical. Lastly, I practice yoga. Yoga helps me to relax and stay healthy. When I feel stressed, just 15 minutes of yoga can make me feel calm again. If I describe my personality, I would say I am friendly, curious, and hardworking. I enjoy meeting new people and listening to their stories. One small example. In my office, whenever a new employee joins, I always make sure to greet them and have a small chat. I know how it feels to be new, and a simple smile can make someone's day. As for my dreams, I want to become a successful businesswoman in the future. I want to travel the world, learn about different cultures, and maybe even start my own company. I also want to continue improving my English and other languages. I know a little bit of Spanish, and I would love to practice it more. One day, I dream of speaking English, Spanish, and maybe even French fluently. So that is a little about me, my name, my family, my education, my hobbies, and my dreams. I believe that introducing yourself is very important. It is the first step in making new friends, starting conversations, and building confidence. Thank you for listening to my introduction. I hope you enjoyed learning about me. And now, I would love to hear about you too. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep introducing yourself in English until it feels natural. Goodbye for now, and let's meet again in the next practice session.